In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto to your wallet on eToro. Now, what you want to do is you want to transfer it to your eToro wallet, and then from that wallet, you can transfer it to an external wallet if you want to. So how this works is you want to make sure that your position is eligible. So you need to have bought the crypto, it needs to be in the real crypto, not a CFD, and it should not be a copy trader investment. Once you've done that, you want to head over to your eToro portfolio, find the crypto, click on edit trade, and if it's eligible, like up here, you'll be able to transfer to wallet. Now what this is going to do is it's going to transfer it to the eToro money wallet, which is an app that you can download. So it's basically just a wallet for your eToro. So download the app, and inside of the app, you should be able to see the money that you just transferred there. Once you've done that, you can select the crypto that just appeared in there, click on send, and then you're able to send it to an external wallet if you want to have it on another wallet. So that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.